Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to open a MetroBank account online 2025. First of all, visit metrobank.com.ph/home, then click login and click MetroBank online. After that, click sign up button, then click proceed to sign up. Now, complete the required information including your personal details and the mobile number registered with your branch of account. You will need to provide one valid photo bearing ID with your signature. Acceptable IDs include your Philippine identification card, passport, driver's license, or other government issued IDs. Create your username and password. Ensure they are strong and secure to protect your account. Review your information, agree to the terms and conditions, and submit your application. You will receive a confirmation once your account is successfully credited. And that's it. You have successfully opened your MetroBank account online. Enjoy seamless banking at your fingertips. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.